case, all we do is we click the import button, and we're just gonna type in Russell Brunson mutual friends. So Brunson mutual friends, perfect. Deal amount here, I'll just put $5,000, and I'm going to drop them right into a pipeline that I have set up right here. And one last thing, I'll change them to the color pink, and I just click one-click import, and all of a sudden you can see all of these people have just been populated right into my pipeline. 32 leads processed, 31 new leads have been imported, one was already in our database, that one was ignored, fantastic, and 32 leads have now been added to my pipeline. So I can actually go back over to my pipeline here, and you can see I've got my pipeline up and open. What a pipeline is, very simple. This one has one particular path. This pipeline is designed to do cold DM outreach to invite people into my Facebook group. That's it, right? So, and then once they get into my Facebook group, I'm gonna have a little more conversation with them, invite them to a call, and then potentially close a deal.